Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm gonna talk about the JBL Tune 205 headphones guys. Really amazing headphones guys. I really like it. And first what I will do the unboxing, and then I will tell you about the specs and some reviews about this amazing headphone guys. So let's start. Let me open this first, and this is how it looks like when you open. So so like that. So first of all, it comes with the pouch. This is the pouch guys. So this is JBL pouch. Really amazing material. You can put your headphones in, and then inside the pouch there are user manual about the company, and about the warranty and everything. So let me tell you the price. The price I bought it for is 19 euro, and this is about some features about the headphones. And then we will move it to the uh, this is how it looks like, and then we will take it out from the box, how it looks like. So this is how it looks like guys. As you can see here, it's a really premium finish guys. This is how it looks like guys. You can see here, this is the like silver finishing, and then there is a black finishing, and then it looks like from this. So you can easily see which one is for the right and which one is for the left ear guys. So there are two different colors, blue and red guys. You can see here, this is how it looks like. And the good feature, one of the best feature about this headphone, the one I like, is it has one button remote with microphone guys. So let's go and see the microphone guys. So you can see here, it's a one button remote with a microphone. So this is the microphone guys. This is how it looks like. You can see here, and you can see here this hole. This is a quite big hole for the microphone, and it control music playback with a convenient one button remote guys. So if you have an incoming call, you can answer it on the fly with the built-in microphone guys. So this is really amazing feature. The other cool feature and other important thing about this JBL Tune 205 headphones is it's wire guys. You can see the wire is tangle free flat cable guys. So the flat cable that's durable and won't tangle up in knots. So even if it's like that in the note form, you can easily take it out guys. So it's very easy because of this cable. It looks really thin, and look really thin, but it's very strong guys. So I really prefer these kind of headphones with this kind of cable guys, because it's not easily breakable guys. So because of the headphone we are using too much, and sometimes we stuck at some place, so we need this kind of cable guys. So the next important feature which I like too much about this, it has comfort fit ergonomics earbuds guys. These soft ergonomically shaped earbuds allows you to enjoy your music in full comfort guys. So you can enjoy your music because it's really soft feeling when I put in my ears. So it gives a really soft feeling in my ear guys. So I will not feel pain, and for the long term music for a long time, it gives a really good music guys. So the next thing is it's like a premium metallized air housing. So you can see here, it's a premium metallized air housing. It's a high quality finish. It gives you headphones a refined and a stylish look guys. So it definitely give you a stylish look. So the next thing is it has a soft carrying pouch that I already show you. You can conveniently store in any place in the pouch guys. So let's talk about some general specification. The headphone cable is 3.88 feet or if we count in the centimeter, it will be around like a 118 centimeter, guys. The headphone jack type is 3.5 mm, and the audio specification, it's driver 12.5 mm, and number of drivers per ear is 1.0. Then dynamic frequency 20 hertz to 20 kh hertz, and the dimension is like weight, and the weight of this earbud is 14.3 gram. Okay guys, it has one button remote mic. Okay, as I told you, one button remote mic. It has aluminum finish, you can see here. It has a built-in microphone, as I show you, and carrying pouch earbud. It has a flat cable, and hand-free call, you can use it, and then it has JBL pure bass sound, guys. So guys, if I want to talk you about my reviews about this Tune 205 headphones, first of all, the design is similar to the Apple AirPods. As I told you, it's 3.5 mm headphones plug, but with a twist. The cord is flat, as I told you, and tangle resistant, and the cable seems to be tangle free. As I try to tie temporarily around the neck, it gets loosed rather quickly, so I take good with the bad. As for the fit, they are similar, although not exactly as the Apple AirPods. But they are comfortable for long periods of listening. I even tend to forget they are there since they sit very lightly in my ears. Like all similar earbuds, they feel like they are going to fall out, but for me, they never did. Due to nature of the fit, the sound isolation from the outside world is very good, guys. So due to the lack of sound isolation from the environment, the sound stage is wide and the bass response is on the point. It's not muddy nor overwhelming. Yes, you lose some sound quality because of the outside noise is noticeable at low volume, but earbuds can get loud enough with very little distortion to down most of the outside noise, guys. So if we talk about some of the pros, a very good option at a budget, and it's comfortable for long periods of time. Noticeable bass, but not for bass heads. Remote, as I told you, remote with a single button is useful, and the microphone is good enough. Almost zero microphonic while walking. The wire rattling isn't noticeable like in the other more expensive earbud. Sound is great for its price with the wide sound storage. Long flat cable, really tangle free, almost too much tangle free, guys. So really amazing Tune 205 headphones, guys. I really like it, and this jack is really good in this shape, guys, so it's, you can easily handle it in your mobile phone, guys. And you can see here, this is how it looks like, guys. So I really prefer these headphones. It's a good budget, in a good budget, it's a really amazing headphone, guys. So guys, I hope you like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys. So thank you very much, guys.